Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my own hair freshener. Initially, I used to get it off the store, but some of them doesn't smell nice, some of them doesn't last long. They only last for maybe few weeks. But ever since I've been making my own, it lasts me 2 months. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my own air freshener. So if you're interested, smash the subscribe button and continue watching. So to get started, you need a baking soda. So this is my baking soda. And you also need a container to put the air freshener. So this is one of the previous container I got from the store. And then you need water. So I've got water in there. Next thing you need is your fabric freshness. So you can use any fabric freshness of choice. So this is one I do use. And the next thing you need is a spoon. So I'm using this spoon. You can use a tablespoon and a mixing bowl, any bowl of your choice to mix the things up. And of course, I need a spoon as well to mix things together. So let's get started. So guys, this is how I make my own air freshener, for my toilet. I can put it in my hallway and it lasts me 2 months because whenever I buy off the store, as I said earlier, it doesn't last that long. It doesn't smell so nice. So I prefer making my own. So it depends on how strong the smell of your clothes freshener, the fabric freshener. So the stronger it is, the stronger the smell you get as well. So you can pour it in any jar or any plastic of choice. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find the video useful. And if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And see you in my next video. Bye.